Hey everyone, it's Lisa from moonprismplanner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and watching. Today I'm going to be memory planning for the week of October 12th through the 18th in my medium vertical Recollections planner. This is a kit by Dash of Sun Designs, and this is a memory plan with me. So if you want to watch this pre-plan with me where I've already laid down the base of this kit and all the stickers that you're currently seeing right now, I'll have that link down below, or it'll pop up in the cards for you to check out after this video. So the way that I plan is I go ahead and pre-plan my week with what I think I know is going to happen, or I know is going to happen, or I want to happen with my plans. Then day by day, I leave with all these white spaces. I will just leave those blank, and then day by day I'll go in with my planner and my stickers and just fill in my spread with memories and things that happened. So this is my memory plan with me. Let's get started with Monday. So first off, I'm going to go ahead and place down this half box from the kit, and then I'm going to grab a TV doodle icon from Wild Summer Designs, which is a shop that I PR for. I have all of these shops linked down below, as well as my discount codes and, ways to get my freebie and stuff like that, ways to save. And that is just to mark that we started watching The Haunting of Bly Manor. So let me know, comment down below if you've been watching it. No spoilers, we haven't finished it yet. We started on the 12th, and then we have, I think, 2 or 3 more episodes to go until we're done with the season. So let me know what you think. So I'm going to take that little TV doodle there, and then also I'm going to go ahead and grab a little beautiful corner, a little bow corner accent thing from The Giving Girl, just to, because I love my bows, and give the little TV a bow. Then I'm going to go ahead and take a transparent icon from The Giving Girl. I just love those little transparent dots. They're so freaking cute. And then I've got this little, what is it, a cell phone? Yeah, it's a little cell phone, like one of the icons from the kit. It's like this little bow pentagon icon from the kit. Because I needed to call my son's school because we were having issues with him logging into his 4th period because the quarter changed over and he got some new teachers, and so it was really frustrating, and he ended up missing 4th period because we never got the class code because it's virtual learning. For my gratitude, I relearned GCF because my son was having such a hard time with math, with the quarter change and the new teacher, and he was having trouble with greatest common factor, so I had to legit relearn that crap because I forgot how to figure it out, and he needed help. And I was like, okay, well, guess I better YouTube a video real quick. So I just was something funny to be grateful about was relearning how to find the greatest common factor between 2 numbers, because previously I would probably just I don't know, figure out what's common between them, and then I don't know how I did it last time. I'd be like, does this work? I would literally just get a calculator and be like, does this work? Oh, that doesn't work. Does this work? Does it, I would be like, okay, oh, here's what I would do. Let's say the number was 132. I'd be like, is this divisible by 5? Let me see. No. What about 6? Let me see. What about 7? That's how I would do it. Anyways, but I relearned a faster way to do it so I could help him. Moving on to Tuesday, I'm going to grab a flag from the kit. And then I've got this pretty mandala from Honey Inked. I don't know about what I was doing with it. I just put it on top of the flag. I thought it'd kind of look a little like a crown. Maybe it's kind of cute. And then I'm going to take a little heart book icon from Simply Gilded, and a little deco, a Halloween deco dot from Cozy Paper Co., which is a shop that I PR for. And so I'm just going to layer those together because, oh crap, hold on. I just clicked something. I don't know what happened. Where did my video go? I think I'm still recording. Okay, yes. Anyways, never mind that. I started a new book in the series that I'm currently reading. On Tuesday, we started, my husband and I are both reading the Sword of Truth series by Terry Goodkind, and we are on his 2nd series, which is actually the Richard and Kaylin series. So if you want to look into the books I'm reading, you definitely want to start with Sword of Truth, Wizard's First Rule. That is book 1 of series 1. We are on the 2nd series, and we are on the 3rd book now in the 4-part 2nd series. So we both just started The Severed Souls. Anyways, so needless to say, I wanted to mark that I started my book. So I used a little script from Shop Jessica Hearts that says, "Get lost in a book." Thought that was cute. Then I'm going to use a little 3rd box. Is it 3rd box? No, it's a quarter box, I think. or an eighth box or something. I don't know. I'm going to use a box from the kit and one of the bow like sneaker shoe, gym shoe doodles from Dash with Sun from a freebie I got because I did some yoga on Tuesday. And then I'm going to take the arrow from the kit and then a Crafts by Thaowie little YouTube play button bow thing just to mark that I had to film and edit for, you know, my Wednesday video. Then I'm going to take, sorry if you can hear my phone vibrating, it's because it's going off and then my laptop sounds like it's a rocket ship launching. Anyways, I'm going to take a another box from the kit and then I have a little like flourish from Honey Inked to just put there because it was kind of a weird space. I thought it looked pretty. So I'm going to put that there. And then I've got this little icon sampler from Cozy Paper Co. and another transparent dot from The Giving Girl. And that was just for marking that we watched the Haunted Mansion on Tuesday. I don't always mark like what movie we watch every day because in the month of October we watch a spooky Halloween cute whatever, you know, just like a spoopy movie every night, and I don't always, you know, write that down because I don't always have the space. But Tuesday I had the space. I didn't really do anything else, so I figured I'd, you know, go ahead and write down we watched the Haunted Mansion, and it was our first time. We'd never seen it before, and it was really cute. I love Eddie Murphy and I love Jennifer Tilly, so they were great. For my gratitude, I wrote choosing health because I am still, you know, on a health journey. I am still trying to put my health first, and I'm always trying to remind myself to choose healthy. For Wednesday, I'm going to take a little scallop corner from the kit and then a Dash with Sun Designs virtual learning bow icon doodle, with another Giving Girl transparent dot. Excuse me. My freaking voice doesn't want to cooperate today. And that was just because on Wednesday I had to help my son with school a lot again, and I just kind of mark that whenever it takes a lot of my time during the day. You know, it's not something I plan on doing. I don't plan on helping him every single day because sometimes he doesn't need help. So then there are days when he does need help, and thankfully I'm here to help him. So anyways, I decided to go back to the little popcorn and add one of these cute Simply Watercolor Co bow corner things. Even though like the popcorn has a bow in the middle, I just wanted like, you know, I like the little corner bow situation. Anyways, then back to Wednesday, I'm going to do a Cozy Paper Co spiderweb deco with another bow doodle from Dash with Sun from the order freebie again with a transparent dot from The Giving Girl because we cleaned out the fridge on Wednesday, which is a very laborious task. It was just a disgusting fridge, honestly. This fridge has not been like thoroughly deep cleaned in probably like 5 years. And that is because, 6 years? Yes. And that's because this fridge existed. It was, how do I explain this? It was my husband's fridge before I moved in with him, and he never cleaned it. And like, I never got around to cleaning it. Like, I cleaned a lot of his house, which is now our house, before I moved in with him. And he owned the house, before he met me. But I never got around to doing the fridge. So I was like, it's time to clean the fridge. Then I'm going to go ahead and take a half box from the kit and then a baking time $1 Wednesday script from Cozy Paper Co. along with the little baking icon because it was National Dessert Day on Wednesday. So I made a pumpkin praline crumble, which if you saw my plan with me from the next week or whatever, not this week, like the week, what am I talking about? If you saw the other plan with me, I just did for Monday. That freaking praline crumble thing was such a disaster. Like, it was good, but it was like nothing like I thought it was going to be. So my boys still ate it and liked it, but I was like disappointed because I was expecting one thing and it didn't turn out that way. But at least it was edible and it wasn't bad. It was good. They liked it. They said it was good. So whatever. For my gratitude on Wednesday, I wrote that I was grateful for having a clean fridge. It's still so wild to me to like, when I look in the fridge and I see that the shelves, because some of them are made of like glass, like a tempered glass, and I see that they're like so clear, I can just like see right through them like you're supposed to. I'm like, whoa, I can see what's below it. It's like crazy to me. Anyways, that's embarrassing. On to Thursday, I'm going to take one of these beautiful floral deco boxes from Crafts by Thaowie, which just works perfectly with this kit because there's that ethereal, rosy, ghostly looking thing going on. And then I'm going to do a bunch of layering with the Giving Girl icon or dots, a Cozy Paper Co deco dot, and then a dot, an icon from the kit, just to mark that I did clean the baseboards. Actually, my son helped me clean the baseboards throughout the entire house. Then I'm going to take a little small box from the kit and one of my stickers from my Wild Summer Design sampler. That is the like sushi sticker, but we had poke, which is sort of the same thing. It's kind of like in a bowl. It's like sushi in a bowl. Anyways, poke is just like a delicious, well, there's lots of ways you can get it, but like what I do is I usually do the salad base. Most people get a rice base, and then you do like your choice of protein, which I usually do. I usually like the raw fish, so I'll do like ahi and I'll do shrimp, which gets cooked shrimp, and then like spicy crab or maybe spicy tuna. I don't know, whatever. And then you can get a bunch of different toppings, and I do a bunch of different toppings on my bowls. Then I'm gonna take another like pretty deco things from Honey Inked. This is like the swirly one to go under the Preplan, and then I used the leaf one behind the sushi. I just like the leaf and the flower things. It's really pretty. And then for my gratitude for Thursday, I was grateful for having all of my to-dos done because I had a really long list of to-dos and I managed to get them all done. Then on Friday, there wasn't really any room to like fill anything in, so I just took one of these pretty flourishes from Honey Inked again, just to fill in that little kind of awkward space right there under the work from home script. As you can see, I'm a white space planner. Obviously, I write on the white space. I don't fill everything, every little square inch up with stickers, but I also don't like there to be like little awkward white spaces. And I don't know, I kind of like, I'm like a no white space planner because I like the look of, I don't let my stickers breathe too much, but I also do use white space. Anyways, that was all I did for Friday. I just wrote new moon yoga that I was grateful for because I did a little new moon yoga routine and it was really relaxing and nice. For Saturday, I just used another flourish thing from Honey Inked and checked off the items on my Saturday checklist. And then I did some low intensity interval training on Saturday night. So I'm taking a little gym shoe sneaker doodle from Wild Summer Designs and layering that with another dot from The Giving Girl and the spiderweb dot from Cozy Paper Co. And then I'm going to take what is this? A divider. It's like a little bow, hand-drawn bow doodle divider from Dash of Sun. One of her like little clear side bow kind of divider things. Just to, I don't know, like I felt like there was, again, like this weird space that was like right underneath that Liit that I wrote. And obviously I could just leave it there. It's not a big deal, but I don't know. I just wanted to put a little bow there, and then the line you can't really notice or anything, so whatever. But the bow looks cute. Anyways, for Saturday's movie night, I have this adorable little book from, like, I think it's a hand-drawn doodle. It looks like it, from Sticker Geek Designs, from a sampler I got from an order I placed. And that's from the Hocus Pocus book. And I'm going to layer that with a little popcorn again, a little $1 Wednesday popcorn from Cozy Paper Co. because we watched my favorite movie to watch annually for Halloween is Hocus Pocus. And I've been watching that ever since I was like a little kid. So it's a tradition and we will never give up. So I also wrote that for my gratitude because I love it so much. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to remove this little flag and football icon with some undo sticker remover. And very impressive because obviously that sticker is like a week old and I was thinking the undo probably wouldn't work, but it did. Because I really wanted to put in that we went to the pumpkin patch. Now, silly me, if you can see that full box down there, I wrote Gilcrease Orchard on there because I knew we were going to go to the pumpkin patch, and that full box had that big open area, so it was like perfect for filling something in. And the box had pumpkins on it already. It was perfect. But when I was planning this, I had actually forgotten that I had put that down there. And so I thought to myself, oh, I have to put in that we went to the pumpkin patch, obviously, because we had an amazing time and we had got our amazing apple cider donuts. And obviously I have to put in that we went to the pumpkin patch. So I did this it's so pretty. I did this pretty thing with the little corners of the mandalas from Honey Inked and then a little pumpkin that was from a Kimmi Studio sampler, and then the little side bow from Simply Watercolor Co. And I just didn't even write anything. I just thought it looked so pretty by itself. But it's a repetitive. I didn't notice it. I'm just going to leave it because it's pretty, whatever. And then I just added like a little leaf up at the top there from Honey Inked because it looked pretty. I'm going to still save that football sticker though. That's why I love undo, because you can still save your stickers. And I'm just going to write football in the sidebar because we did watch football on Sunday, so I'm still going to keep it there. And for my gratitude, I wrote apple cider floats because I did this amazing recipe. I shared it on my Instagram with these apple cider floats. By the way, I love those sleeves from that black shirt I'm wearing with the bell sleeves. It's so witchy. I love it. Anyway, distracted. I love the apple cider floats. It's an amazing recipe. I shared it on my Instagram and it tastes like a caramel apple. It's so good. Anyways, But anyways, that completes this entire video and this memory plan with me. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up if you did, because I really appreciate your support. It helps me out, and I really appreciate that you're here and you're watching and you're liking and commenting, and I just thank you so much. Definitely subscribe if you're not already so you don't miss more of my videos. I put these videos out regularly every week. I try to do three videos a week, minimum 2. And definitely comment down below if you have a question about anything, or if you just want to chat and say hi, because I will say hi back. I respond to all of my comments, and I love talking to you guys. Here is the last final beautiful foil shot. Hope that y'all enjoyed it. I hope that y'all take care, stay spooky and safe, have a wonderful rest of your week, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!